Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a brake pad on a 2018 Toyota Highlander. I had the front wheel removed, as you can see, exposing the rotor and the caliper, and the brake pad is inside the caliper. I noticed there are squeaking sound coming out from the wheel well. As you can see, this is the friction from the pad, which already wore out. One of the pins from the pad is going through and making contact with the rotor. There's some very deep scratches, about 2 millimeters in depth. To take off the brake caliper, we have to undo two bolts, one in the bottom and one on the top. Use a 14 millimeter socket and 17 millimeter wrench. Use a bungee cord to hold the caliper up so that the weight of it doesn't hang by the brake line. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop up the pad. On the back side, simply use a screwdriver and push it off. The pad is completely weared out to 0 millimeter thickness, and the scratches on the rotor is caused by this pin on the brake pad that sticks out. So this is making contact with the rotor, causing the scratch. This is the replacement pad I got from AutoZone, DURALAST ceramic brake pad. And here you can see the difference. This is a new one. Compare them side by side. On the top is the old pad, has almost 0 thickness, and on the bottom is a new pad, has good 10 millimeter. The new pad did not come with the clips. The clip is extra, $20, but the old clip just as good. I'm going to reuse it. Taking up the old clip, simply slice your screwdriver in and push it. It goes on like that. And placing the old clip after you clean it onto the new pad, simply just push it in. And there's a latch at back side. You see here, there's a little bit latch, and just simply push it in and you hear a clip sound. Using a C-clamp, you want to push the caliper pistons back into the cylinder. Okay, then on this side, and just general cleanup, get rid of all the debris and dirt. Okay, after you install the clips, simply take your new pad and just slide it in to the slot. And one more on the back side. Only the top has the clip. On the bottom, there's no clip. And now take your V-shaped pin and place it into these two holes. This will keep the pad apart. And now close the caliper back into the position. Okay, I placed the top bolt, and now the caliper is resting on the top bolt. Okay, make sure everything is nicely fit. Now I should just slide it down. Perfect. Putting back the bottom caliper bolt. Set it to 25 foot-pound torque. And now we replace the brake with new pad. The squeaking sound that's coming out of the wheel should be gone. Now just repeat on the other side and put the wheels back on. Thank you for watching.